The Nike Air Max Plus Honeycomb is a standout sneaker that instantly grabs attention with its unique honeycomb design. Its black mesh upper features a three-dimensional hexagon pattern, creating depth and visual interest with subtle shading and chalk-like lines. Wavy overlays on the sides and toe guard enhance the silhouette, while the arched midsole and heel-to-toe construction keep the iconic Air Max Plus flow intact. Baroque brown accents on the midsole and outsole add bold contrast, complemented by honey-colored details on the side swoosh and air unit highlights. Small touches like a bee icon patch on the tongue and embroidered bee details inside showcase Nike's meticulous craftsmanship. Combining layered textures, geometric patterns, and rich color contrasts, this colorway blends modern design with natural inspiration. Perfect for making a statement, the Air Max Plus Honeycomb delivers style and depth from every angle, offering a fresh take on a classic Nike silhouette that stands out on the street.